back to Kayleigh's Crafts. Today we're going to be learning how to make our very own sensory treasure bottle. So for this you're going to need a few things. A plastic bottle or a jar. You can use whatever you like, but it has to be see-through and it has to have a lid. Some rice, some small and interesting items, and this is optional, but if you'd like to colour your rice, you'll need some food colouring. So firstly, you want to take your bottle or jar and take your lid off. Today we are using a glass jar. This also works very well with plastic see-through bottles. The next thing you want to do is take your rice and begin pouring a little bit into your jar. If you are using something with a smaller neck, you may need a funnel for this next part. We've filled about 2 centimetres of our jar so far, and what we want to do next is take one of our small items and place it in and cover it with a bit more rice. You need to make sure that your items are small enough that they'll fit into your bottle. Now I've gone around my house and found a few different things. We've got things like Lego, coins, keys, small little toys, even things like jewellery like rings and brooches. Have a look around your house and see what small things you could find to pop in your treasure hunt jar. So take your first item and just pop that in. And then what you want to do is do another few centimetres of rice. And put your next item in and repeat this process until your jar is full of all your little items and full of rice. Once your jar is full, you want to leave a bit of a gap so the rice can still move freely. And then pop your lid on and give it a nice big shake. Now a good thing to do as well is to make a note of all of the little items that you have hidden in your jar on a piece of paper so that when you find them you can tick them off. And now all you need to do is go hunting. There's my Lego. There's my strawberry. There's my token. There's the toy. This is a great fun game that will keep not only children but also adults very engaged. You could hide as many items as you like in your sensory treasure bottle. The more items, the harder they are to find. Or would it be harder trying to find one item in all of that rice? We hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did follow along at home and make your own sensory treasure bottle, please do share it with us on social media, tagging Creative Eye and Norden Farm Centre for the Arts using that hashtag Kayleigh's Crafts. Stay crafty and we'll see you next time.